Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR Magic8 Pro, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all, we have to open the recents. If you've got the 3-button navigation, simply tap on the button with a square icon. And if you've got the gestures, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here, like that. And here we've got the recents. And basically now all we have to do is to tap on this trash bin icon. Now we can go back. And basically, sometimes, for some reason, your device will leave one of those apps opened. But no worries, all you have to do is to simply swipe it up to close it manually. And now after entering the recents, here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.